Alright, good morning. It's your boy, Indy Atticus, coming at you from Lao Cai. Early morning motorcycle ride. We're on the bike, as usual. Hair's looking crazy, the sun's out, I don't have my sunglasses, but I'm trying to decide where to ride to today. Do we go to Sapa again and race? Do we go to Baka province and race? This part right here is a circle, so I'm gonna show you guys something cool. This little part right here behind me, right here, this little circle. It's a little roundabout, right? So whenever if you go that way, sort of, there's some coffee houses. It's like the main part of Lao Cai, and I'll hit the circle and I'll just gun it, right? And this is where I'll have like my knee to the ground, so I'll be like leaned over all the way, and it's just funny. Everybody will be looking at me like, oh, how's he do that? You know, because if you look at the majority of what people are riding around here, I mean, look, just scooters, you know, scooters. Let's see if we can find some scooters. Yeah, here we go. That's the majority of what people are riding, with these little scooter things here. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. So when you go around and you hit these corners, people are kind of amazed, you know. Guys are gonna ride motorcycles. I need to get a haircut. Anyways, like the flannel for all my people back home in the States. So I look like Farmer Joe. So I'm gonna keep this video short. I just want to say good morning. Getting ready to do some racing, so wish me luck. We're gonna go, I guess we'll go pick a direction. So in the comments, put N for north, S for south, east for west, or east for west, E for east, W for west, and we'll either go this way, which leads to Sapa, this way, which leads to Baka, this way, which leads to the China border, and this way I have no idea. I don't really travel that far that much, so we're going to find somewhere unique to ride to. So let's get geared up, all right? The Batman of Lao Cai. Let's see if I can film you one-handed. Yeah. It's in neutral, as you can see. See the little neutral? Now she's ready to ride. So let's get it. I don't have a way to hold the camera because it takes two hands. I got to be able to use my clutch hands here to change gears. So for people who don't know, this right here and this right here go together. So I push that lever down, and that's how I change my gears. So I can't really hold the camera on these kind of motorcycles as I drive. Now I could tape it, you know, like to my chest or something, but I don't have my book bag today. So you know what I'll do is I'll put it in my pocket and I'll make a separate video. Just we'll go for a quick little ride and see if the phone doesn't fall out. So all right, you ready?